So last week my Excel started talking to me like if I am typing 100 and after I enter 100, like it will announce as 100, and when I will type this 600, and it is pretty annoying to me. So after that I Google it, and after that I try to find, but I don't see anything in option here is anything is not correct. See this one, provide feedback with the sound is unchecked, so I don't know what to do. Then what I did, finally I went here, control F11, and created a module, insert a module, and after that I put sub test, enter, and after that I found this code here. So if you will put this code here and do F8, clicking inside an F8 and again F8 and again F8, and done. Now if you will go back to the Excel sheet and type here, nothing, the sound is gone. So this is VBA code I use to quit talking Excel with me. Alright guys, hopefully this tutorial is useful for you.